I just turned 22 today, and I have nothing on my mind besides growth. But yeah, today's a good example of why having a routine is key. 50 points is above the 9 o'clock wick. TP1, that's a thou wow. Best case is his TP2, so I can get out the trade. The daily routine that got me to where I am right now is not gonna get me to where I'm trying to go. That's how I'm in Miami right now. I've made over $2,000 this week. It wasn't possible until somebody did it. And that's always gonna be me. That somebody that did it is always gonna be me. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I'm tired of shit, but today is my birthday, but nonetheless, I don't care. I'm going to continue working. Now, I was gonna wake up even earlier to try to get some content created when it comes to like this project I'm working on, but I didn't wake up. I'm tired of shit. I woke up for VIP. I'm not really used to waking up earlier for that. It's not in my schedule, so I gotta get used to it nonetheless. This camera's fogging. So we about to start the VIP call. We got about maybe 10, 20 minutes. See if we can make some money. Yesterday we took no trades. We didn't make money, didn't lose money, but nonetheless, we're in the game so we could trade today. Now you guys heard what I said. Today's my birthday. I'm not gonna be forcing nothing crazy. If I see a setup, I'll take it. If I don't, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna follow the process, follow the plan, and I'm gonna make sure today's a great day. But yeah, today's a good example of why having a routine is key, bro. I lied you not. I did want to wake up. I wanted to sleep late, which is one of the main reasons why I probably didn't wake up. I wanted to sleep probably like 1 or 2 a.m. So trying to wake up at 6 with only 4 hours of sleep, my body wasn't having it. It's not used to it. I don't care how much you want to do something. If your body's not used to it, it's going to be way harder. Doesn't mean you can do it, but it's going to be way harder. Waking up at 4 a.m. for me is way harder than waking up at 9 a.m. Waking up at 8 a.m. what I'm used to. That's a whole less hours of sleep, and I went to sleep later, but that's just the reality of this shit. You got to understand, that's what comes with it. I really wanted to wake up early because the main thing is I don't want to spend my whole day creating content, working on my birthday. I wanted to get it out the way early, but we'll figure it out nonetheless. We got a whole day ahead of us. We'll make it happen. We'll figure it out, and that's what it's all about. But like I said, let's get this VIP call started. Let's give some value, change some lives. Yeah, about the charts yet so far. All I know is I was trying to wake up at like 6 a.m. so I can like start working on my little project. I was tired of shit. Did not wake up. I was tired as fuck. I woke up, I lied to you not, the sun was so bright on my eyes. Like the way the bedroom is set up, like the bathroom is directly, if you wake up, bro, I lied to you not, that shit blinds the fuck out of you, bro. Like, you open your eyes and it's just like headlights. Just like headlights in your eyes. Now we're gonna see what these charts hitting for today. Short at the 4-hour gap and the 1-hour gap, looking for it to target this lower low down here. 50 points is above the 9 o'clock wick. And ideally, Martin is the one who showed me this gap originally, like putting my eyes to it. This would be like the overall target, but I'm just looking for 1 to 2. Nonetheless, 1 to 2, and we cool. But only trade of the day so far, first trade of the day. Oh yeah. Looks good nonetheless. I like the higher time frame reaction of it. Even if it doesn't play out, it gave me the reaction. TP1, that's a thou wow. The up a thou wow. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Get some TP2, man. But hey, I'm break even though. Whatever happens, I'm break even. Yeah, it's time me at break even. One of them slow days. Can't complain. I'll take a break even day if it has to, but best case is his TP2 so I can get out the trade. But it's 10:23 and I'm not trying to be on the charts all day long. Man. Stopping me at break even 2 times. And watch, it's probably still gonna end up going down, which is crazy. But I ain't gonna be here to try to catch it. Even day, we took 2 trades. We had 2 trades, the same exact trades. We took them. They both stopped me out at break even after giving me TP1. After TP1, that's when I break even all the time. We took it with the team and everything, but at the end of the day, shit just didn't play out, and I'm not gonna keep trying to force it. It's already 10:30, and I'm not about to continue to sit here. So, about to go to the beach, enjoy the sun while it's sunny. So, I'll see you in the car. I'll see you wherever we end up. Yeah. Yo, all that shit I was talking, that it was not gonna rain. And look at this shit. Yo, we went to get some food and now it's cooked. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. got wet now, but not from the beach, not from the beach. Woo. See, it rained on my birthday too now. We got rained on. It wasn't supposed to rain, but look at this. It's pouring. Look, there's a Ferrari right there. Just leave it. Look at that. There's a Ferrari over here. There's a Lamborghini over there. There's a, if you look over there, it's a Wraith. Yeah, Rolls-Royce Wraith. We gotta go home and change now. We got soaked. I don't know how long we were getting wet on for, but soaked to the point where I was dripping down my face. You can see it and you can hear it. We gotta go home. Looking for food right now, downtown, Brooklyn City Center. It's man nice over here, I ain't gonna lie. I think I seen someone that I follow on Instagram, crazily enough. Just got to the crib and everything. I'm about to record this section of the video. All right, right now, chilling on the balcony and everything. I got the light from my computer. You could probably see the dog. You might see my girlfriend walking in the background. But today's my 22nd birthday, and there was a lot of things that I thought I would have accomplished by this point. Like, one of the main things I always told myself a year ago, year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I wanted to have $1 million by 22. And as of right now, I would be lying to you and lying to myself if I was close to that. I'm not close to $1 million yet. I'm not. Simply putting, I'm not. I still got time nonetheless. But the one thing that I have differently this year compared to the other years, is I have a plan that I'm seeing results in. I'm seeing results with my trading. I'm seeing results with my community. The people that I'm educating, the people that I'm teaching, they're seeing results. I've gone and taught people that knew nothing about trading. I've taught people that literally knew zero. And I've built them into traders that have gotten funded. I'm not gonna say that they're the most amazing, profitable traders, but it's a start. I'm not the best trader in the world. I'm not the best educator in the world. But at the end of the day, I'm improving day by day, and I'm trying to be the best version of myself day by day. And that's all I want you guys to understand. I'm no different than you guys, and I say that all the time because it's very true. Anything that I can accomplish, you can do the same thing, because there's nothing that I can do that you can't do. You know why? Because there's no difference. The only difference would just be, the only difference is what I'm doing, the work that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, the plan that I have. Like I said, the one thing different this year compared to the other years is I have a plan that I'm working on every single day. And I also understand that the daily routine that got me to where I am right now is not going to get me to where I'm trying to go. Trying to get to the top of this penthouse, trying to get to those high floors, having a Lambo, having a Ferrari, having a Bugatti is gonna take a different level of work, and I understand that. To get to the level that I am now, making $5,000, $10,000 a month consistently from doing what I'm doing right now, self-employed, it's cool, but that's not what I'm trying to get to. I need $100,000 months, $50,000 months, $1 million years, and I'm not there yet. I'm just at maybe 100K a year, 120K a year, if I'm doing good. And it's great money, don't get me wrong, it's great money, and I'm super blessed. I'm super blessed to be able to do this without a job. 100% by myself, 100% on my phone with my computer. That's it. That's how I'm in Miami right now. I've made over $2,000 this week, non-trading. Everything I speak on is true because I'm talking from my experience. Everything I speak on is what I'm going through. And this is all, the content is all a journal to myself. It's all stuff that's gonna be beneficial to me. And if it's beneficial to me, it could be beneficial to you, because what you could do to change your life can change other people's. One of the main things that I always try to stress to people when it comes to why you should try to teach people why you have $1 million worth of game is because if you can overcome any obstacle, if you can learn a skill, if you can overcome something that you struggled with, you have $1 million worth of game. It's just about now putting in the work and getting in front of the people to actually do that. But there is a lot of things that I need to change as of right now to get to that point, because you guys are gonna see me in a penthouse soon. Trust me, you guys are gonna see it very, very soon. I'm talking about in the next 2 months, you're gonna see a lot of change coming into my environment. And I understand that to hold that, to keep that is gonna require a lot of work. My routine is gonna have to change. I'm gonna have to start waking up earlier. I'm gonna have to start adding more things to my day-to-day schedule so I can get more done, because guess what? If I wanna continue doing what I'm doing, I can't stop doing what I'm doing. I can only add. And that's gonna be the hard part, because I'm not gonna stop the daily vlogs. I'm not gonna stop VIP. I'm not gonna stop trading. But I am gonna be doing a whole lot more, but I'm only gonna still have the same amount of time. So it's gonna be very stressful, but at the end of the day, who said it was gonna be easy? I'm struggling to do the things that I'm trying to do just like you guys are. And I want you guys to understand that, because you need to know that there is positive in that. If you can see that I'm struggling, if you can see that it's not always going to be sunshines and rainbows, you know it's real possible. And it gives you a level of comfort that it is possible, that it's not going to be all sunshines and rainbows, that everybody isn't always winning, everybody isn't always successful. That's why you guys need to show the reality. That's why you need to be transparent. Show the reality of that shit. Like recording while the fucking plane wants to fly over, man. This is the reality of it. I'm not going to cut it out either, because that just kind of goes with the point. Even though it's kind of a weird analogy, you get the idea. But for the most part, I just wanted to end this video off saying is this is just the beginning. I just turned 22 today, and I have nothing on my mind besides growth. I have nothing on my mind besides giving value, changing lives, and just simply waking up tomorrow to be the best version of myself. Waking up tomorrow and improving. Waking up tomorrow and chasing my goals. Like I said, I'm doing what works now. I'm seeing the results. All I got to do now is keep going, because most people, they know what works. They know what they should do. They know they should go to the gym. They know they should follow the trade rules. They know they should post content every day. But do they keep doing it? And if they do it long time, how long do they do it? Most people give up after a while. You guys see my consistency with these videos, and that consistency leads into other things, leads into my workouts, leads into my mindset, leads into my relationships. I'm a very consistent person, and it's built. You're not going to just become consistent overnight. It's built. I'm slowly becoming even more consistent by showing myself that I can do this. It was impossible until somebody did it. That is so. Every time I think about something that seems hard to do, something that seems impossible, it was impossible until somebody did it. And that's always going to be me. That somebody that did it is always going to be me. Stay safe, stay productive. If you want to learn how to trade, learn my concepts, my systems, my strategies, check out the free trading course, check out the free trading webinars. And if you're ready to join a team of like-minded individuals where you can get education, mentorship, and just learn from people doing the same exact thing on the same mission, join the VIP Trader Network. We're active every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I'll see you guys in VIP tomorrow morning. So make sure y'all stay safe and have a great night.